we are on something here completely different. It is a Simpson Scorcher. It has got a mini engine in the front. What capacity is it, Paul?
1000cc.
1000cc mini.
198.
And we can hopefully see that the gear shift is literally down there between his legs before he hits this Royale going the other way. So I can see a few issues. So we changed camera angle so you can see a bit more what's going on. Now we'll show you the outside of this vehicle in a minute, but it's basically got the two wheels at the front and it's only got one wheel at the back. You have to lick the end pulls, so you've got a wideband monitor. This is a Simpson Scorcher. It was built, when was this built, Paul?
From 77 to 81.
So 77 to 81, and how many of these were put together?
35 models, only 15 of them got put on the road.
Okay, so 30 kits and 15 of them on the road.
Possibly about 6 left.
I think we've just gone by the first Ada and I think they're looking at us like we're going to be their first call of the day. And it just screams 70s, doesn't it? It's just completely bonkers. And it falls under the trike regulations, so we don't actually have to wear helmets, which is pretty bonkers on its own. And we can go down this way, Paul?
Yeah.
And it just turns heads wherever we go. It's absolutely incredible bit of kit. I don't know if we can see if we turn down there. It's got wide wheel arches on the front, which probably isn't a bad idea to try and give it a bit more stability. But there's 15 left. Are they all on the road, Paul?
No, there's probably 3 going on the road at the moment.
Okay, so there's only 3 of these left on the road at the moment. So changing cameras there, we can see the reaction of a few people as we go and have a bit of a look around the show. Vincent Hurricanes there, there's a Spitfire base car, and we've got the Spartans, which is Hero base one, I think, isn't it? And then the best standard show, Somerset Kits and Classics. So just look at some of the faces as we go by, because they think of kit cars, and we'll just swap to the other side. They think of kit cars as being Caterham 7s or Cobras or GT40s, and this is just something completely different. You're right there with the clutch, Paul. I just worry about that gear lever and what could happen. A bit vulnerable.
Yep.
There you go. On one trike, and there's another. There's a Lomax. I just thought, if you're a trike driver, shouldn't you wave 3 fingers?
Yeah.
There we go, we've got the cycle carts here as well, as we have a quick tour around the show. Great little things, we've got another video coming out on those as well. Oh, I think you broke my gimbal, Paul. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I think the G-force from the acceleration, it couldn't cope with.
You want to ride all around the show?
Yeah, we can do. We can have a ride around the show. I'm sure the viewers would like to do that. I think the only thing we've got to be cautious of is that audio up the other end. But we can put up with that, just bash through. They make the mistake of thinking we're professional. It's the reaction on people's faces that I think is fantastic. Yeah. Oh, there's Steve Hull. Done a bit of a video with Steve Hull. Oh, that's Grinnell Scorpion. Am I correct? Yeah, I think I am. Coming the other way. That's got a BMW engine in the back, that one. Mini Marcos. Yeah. Don't run them over, Paul. There'll be a lot of paperwork. And then on the left, we've got a Stratos, and then we've got some Hawks, which were made by Tiger and then GCS, I think. We going left there, all right? Okay, we're going left.
I've noticed the paramedics are with us again. The morning, we always say hello to the paramedics.
And on the right, a few individual cars. Scimitar SS1 there, a couple of Healy replicas, Rochdale Olympics. And then we're just coming up on the individual displays. Some fairly rare cars here. That's a McLaren replica there, the white one you can see.
You need to look at that Ranger. That is immaculate.
Okay, we can whiz around to that one. What about this thing up here, Paul? What's this?
Oh yeah, class.
Lotus 16 Long Ranger. Okay, as against Lone Ranger, I guess.
Very good.
Robin Hood for sale there. Few old people with their cars for sale. Oh, here we go. Is that going to go through the gap, Paul? There's a tree there, Paul. Now, head for that. You go for that midget. Oh, look, that the yellow Ranger, I see. There's a mini-based kit car, so Paul is going all extremes to make sure that he gets us to have a look at it. Oh, we're going to have to go this side, are we? Oh, that side. Pick a side, Paul. Pick a side. There we go. That's mini-based, is it?
No, it's Austin 1113 base, which is close enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous.
That is, again, so few survivors from that era, isn't there?
Yeah, that's actually won a trophy here today.
Oh, right, okay, for best.
Best car, I think it was.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, it's nice for the kids, isn't it?
It does have a few mini bits on it.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Not many. The dashboard.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It's mostly 1100.
What did you win? Which trophy?
Oh, he's got it here. He's got the trophy here. Complete kit car, Malvern. Saturday car of the day.
Well done.
Thank you.
It's beautiful though.
First time.
I missed it. You should be parking with us on the mini.
Do you know what? I'm going to take it down there.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing for me, like, you know.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, it's got mini bits, so I thought I'd come and ask you and park it up with
Bring
you.
it down.
Oh.
Wow.
I'll have a word with you as well, see about the show.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright then.
Oh,
See you later.
pick a gear, pick a gear. Z3 based Ferrari replica there, a couple of Chesels, yeah, really nice. Yeah, I think we might come back and have a look at that large Lotus thing.
Thingy.
I don't know what to call it.
Oh yeah.
It's like someone put the plans under the photocopier.
Set it to A4. That is gorgeous.
That's a 23. Lotus 23, I think we think that is. And Dax Rush there. And then this absolutely monstrous Lotus style, Lord knows what's under that, but it looks like a 4x4. Very smart looking Robin Hood there, unlike mine. Yep, and then down. Yep. We've got the Cobra Club on the right there. They've had a really good turnout. And then GTM Club on the left. Lovely. I do like those Libras. They're a nice car, those, aren't they? Oh, look, what's that, a Royale? Yeah, Royale, really nice car there. Do like those. And then we on the left here we've got Kitnet, which have a nice range of cars, don't they? Everything from RS200 to Caterham 7s. Citroen Specials, that's a Burton. I think they're made in Holland, those, aren't they? Who else have we got down here? Oh, the Gentry Register. I believe you can still buy those, I think, from the club, can't you? They're based on a Herald chassis, aren't they? Caledonian, Kit Car Club. And the Spirit, the Renault 5 based, well, not dissimilar in some ways, the Hudson Spirit to the Simpson Scorcher. And then over that side is the Royale Owners Club. A good turnout from those guys today. Yeah. And JBA Falcon there. Surprised there's not more JBAs, because there was a lot of those produced, wasn't there? And then we got the Healy replicas here. Sebrings possibly. I just love the look on people's faces as you come by. And the Rickmans over the back there with the camper. What's the camper version? Is it a Rancher or something?
I think
Yeah.
it's a Rancher, isn't it? You want to go over there?
Nah, well, I reckon we'll probably park up now, shall we?
That's it then, isn't it?
Yeah, we've done it. There we go. So,
I have to keep driving on the grass because they paid me £300 to mow the lawns.
well, I'm going to thank Paul very much for a very unusual way of doing a tour of the show. And thankfully no one was injured. And hope you've enjoyed that. And if you have, please consider giving us a subscribe.